In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use PreMoves on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to use PreMoves. And of course, if you want to do that, you will have to make them enabled first of all on settings. So let's just go and play. Click on computer. We don't want to play against some humans here. We can just go and click on settings and simply go to, okay, it seems like we're not gonna find it here. So let's just play or try to play against a human. Here, let's just go to the settings, go to play, go to live, and simply go and enable this pre-moves. Once the moves are enabled, as you can see, I'll be able to pre-move by just playing the move before even they play. And as you can see, you'll find here a red like square. That means you pre-moved your move. As you can see, I'll pre-move this. And as you can see, the move is made even without doing anything. We just show you again. We just do this. Wait, let's just do this, as you can see. Even when he played, I'm gonna play instantly, and I'm going to be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.